How to use My Wallet. First, go to Autowini. Select My Wallet. Select Add Money to My Wallet. Choose the payment method. Here put the amount you wish to charge. The minimum deposit is $300. Download the invoice for payment. Remember, you have 24 hours to make this payment. Deposit to the right account on the invoice. This is not a payment for a car, it's only to add funds to your wallet. It can take up to 2 business days for your funds to be displayed in your account. How to buy now with My Wallet. First, choose a car you wish to purchase. Then tap or click on Buy It Now. Check your port of destination, notices, and regulations for that country. Choose the type of shipping you prefer. Check the final price, discounts, and apply coupons if you have. Then select the Buy Now option. It comes with a bonus $100 discount. Complete the shipping information. Confirm your purchase and proceed forward. Put the amount of money you wish to pay. This amount is your current My Wallet available funds. Purchase complete. Our staff will contact you shortly.